Overview YouTube Secrets is a step-by-step guide designed to help aspiring creators grow an audience, build, influence, and monetize their content. The book is based on Sean Cannell and Benji Travis's experience of building multiple successful YouTube channels with millions of subscribers. The book's foundation is the 7 C's of YouTube success, combined with strategies for content creation, community building, and monetization. 1. The 7 C's of YouTube success. 1. Courage. Start before you're ready. Most people delay because they want perfection. The authors stress action over perfection. Embrace failure. Your first videos will likely be bad, and that's okay. Every upload is practice. Mindset shift. Treat YouTube as a long-term journey, not a get-rich-quick plan. 2. Clarity. Define your why. Why are you creating content? To inspire, teach, entertain, sell products? Know your niche. Focus on solving problems or entertaining a specific audience. Audience avatar. Imagine your ideal viewer, their age, interests, struggles, and what they search for on YouTube. Unique value proposition of P. What makes you stand out from similar creators? 3. Channel. Your YouTube channel is your home, and branding matters. Channel name memorable and relevant to your niche. Profile image and banner high quality, professional, consistent with your brand. Channel trailer. Short, engaging video introducing who you are and what viewers can expect. Playlists and organization. Group videos into playlists to increase watch time and binge viewing. 4. Content. Content is the heart of YouTube growth. The authors recommend the 3 types of content. Discoverable content. SEO-friendly videos that answer questions people are searching for example, tutorials, reviews. Community content. Videos for existing subscribers. Q&As, behind the scenes, personal updates. Hero content. Big, high-effort videos meant to go viral or trend. Titles and thumbnails must grab attention. Curiosity-based titles perform best. Use bold text, contrasting colors, and faces in thumbnails. Video structure for retention. Hook. First 5-10 seconds tell viewers what they'll get. Value delivery. Main content be concise and engaging. Avoid unnecessary intros. Call to action. CTA. Ask for likes, comments, or subscribing naturally. End screens and playlists direct viewers to your next video. 5. Community. Engage actively. Reply to comments, ask questions, and thank your viewers. Name your community. Create a sense of belonging. For example, Team Think Media. Go live. Live streaming builds real-time connection and trust. Leverage other platforms. Share your videos on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, and grow an email list. 6. Cash monetization. YouTube can become a full-time business, but focus on value first, money second. Monetization methods recommended in the book. AdSense. YouTube Partner Program. Passive income from ads once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products with affiliate links. Works great for tutorials and reviews. Sponsorships and brand deals. Partner with companies in your niche. Merchandise and products. Sell t-shirts, digital courses, or ebooks. Crowdfunding and memberships. Use Patreon or YouTube's membership feature. Tip: diversify your income streams. Relying only on ad revenue is risky. 7. Consistency. Post consistently. The algorithm favors regular uploads. Start with at least 1-2 videos per week. Batch production. Film multiple videos in one day to save time. Long-term mindset. The first 100 videos are about learning, not perfection. 2. Growth and discoverability strategies. Keyword research. Use tools like TubeBuddy, Vidic, or simply YouTube search suggestions to find popular search terms. Trending and tentpole content. Make videos about seasonal events, trends, or new product releases. Optimize for search and suggested videos. Use relevant titles, descriptions, and tags. Audience retention is king. The longer people watch, the more YouTube pushes your video. 3. Scaling and delegation. Outsource editing, thumbnail creation, and admin tasks when possible. Consider hiring a virtual assistant or team as you grow. Focus on high-level creative work and strategy. 4. Criticism and realistic expectations. No magic shortcuts. The book emphasizes hard work, patience, and authentic value. Some critics say the tips are basic and common sense, especially for experienced creators. However, for beginners or those stuck with growth, the structured approach is extremely helpful. Who should read this book? Beginners and aspiring YouTubers who want a roadmap. Small business owners who want to use YouTube for marketing. Intermediate creators needing motivation and structure. Not ideal for advanced YouTubers seeking deep analytics or algorithm hacks. If you follow the 7 C's consistently, you can build influence and income over time. Final thoughts. YouTube Secrets is a practical, motivational, and step-by-step guide that demystifies the process of starting and growing a YouTube channel.